How to disable double click to install app from App Store. Subscribe for more quick tips. First, open settings on your phone. Scroll down a little, then tap on screen time. Then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. From the required password section, select always require. Then go back to the settings. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Provide your passcode. Now turn off iTunes and App Store toggle. Go back to the App Store. Search an app and tap on Get. Instead of tapping double click, it will ask you to provide your Apple ID password. Tap on Sign in. Now tap on Install. And that's it.